Welcome back to our channel today. Getting the "you need to authenticate to Microsoft services" error in Minecraft? Here's how to fix it step by step. First, open the Microsoft Store. Search for Minecraft. Click on Minecraft Java and Bedrock Edition for PC. If there's an option to check for updates, click it and update the game. Next, do the same for the Minecraft launcher. Search for Minecraft Launcher in the Microsoft Store and make sure it's also fully updated. Go to the Windows search bar and type date and time settings. Make sure Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically are turned on. Then click Sync Now to manually sync your time. This helps with account authentication and often fixes the issue. In the search bar, type Add or Remove Programs. Find Minecraft and the Minecraft launcher in the list. Click the three dots next to each and select Uninstall. After uninstalling, go back to the Microsoft Store and reinstall both the game and the launcher. That's it. One of these methods should fix the error. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tutorials.